ठीक है. हाँ.
Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Let's go ahead. So start करते हैं, and I will take the lead here. So imagine we are back in 2008. 2008 में Lehman Brothers crash happened. All these investment banks, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, they had invested in these AAA rated bonds and triple B rated bonds that were investing in real estate, whereas the price of the real estate was not really going up, but the price of these bonds were growing up and people were not able to pay off their mortgages. What happened? That housing bubble collapsed, Lehman Brothers shut down, and all these investment banks came under severe scrutiny. People lost their jobs, they lost their homes. And most importantly, the NRIs that were actually working in the US, they realized that, it's not really useful to just go and keep on working in the United States. It's not really that special. The country's actually fucked up. And let's come back to India. So, usi time mein 2008 से 2009 के duration में, a person or a group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto, they released a white paper on something known as Bitcoin. At that point in time, Bitcoin, किसी को idea नहीं था क्या है. Nobody knew. It spoke about a technology that is known as blockchain, which is basically a digital ledger and a data server that keeps your identity private. It keeps you anonymous and keeps a track of all the transactions that you do using Bitcoin. And it is updated every time a single transaction happens. And it is said to be one of the most secure form of technology out there when it comes to, managing your payments transaction. Or it is based on the principle of cryptography. So, when PayPal even started, Peter Thiel, he initially wanted it to be, he wanted to create a digital currency. So, वो payments platform नहीं बनना चाहते थे. His idea was something similar to, Bitcoin, but at that point in time, technology इतनी advanced नहीं थी और internet का penetration भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था. So that idea was scrapped. But again in 2008, this entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, he revolutionized the way people viewed internet. उस टाइम पे 2009 में it was $0.7 या $0.5 was the price of one Bitcoin. But आज the price of one Bitcoin is about $43,000, $44,000, and it's either increasing by the hour or decreasing by the hour right now in 2022.